Hey guys, what's up? I'm April, and hey to my Forex for Beginners family and my future Forex for Beginners family. I gotta say, Saad Ali, you really did it this time. This is one of the best courses I've ever been involved in. My journey is very similar to your side, where I literally have tried several different courses, and until I came across your course, I gotta say, this has been one of the best courses I've ever experienced. The fact that you have this awesome hands-on approach where you give us these assignments and you literally give us feedback in your Forex for Beginners Facebook group is like amazing. I've never seen a course do that. The fact that you make us focus on one pair, I thought that approach was beyond words, because a lot of the different courses that I've been enrolled in, they kind of just bump us around, make us feel like everything is the same. But yeah, each pair is different. So your approach to that was amazing. It really helps us to understand what it is that we're working with, instead of moving our eyes across so many different pairs in the Forex market. I want to say that the way that you teach us to train our eye to the charts was one of the best things ever. Like, just the understanding trend lines and the different indicators, and just the patterns, the candlesticks. It was just so much. Your course was fun, and it was right to the point. It was so simple to get. I just want to say I am super grateful and thankful. One thing I would say, even if you are a beginner or if you've been in Forex for a minute, the way Saad teaches things would definitely make you have an aha moment. So I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart, Saad. You were awesome. You did great. This journey with learning how you teach Forex has been beyond words. It's really have taken me to new heights. I'm just excited. I'm really excited. I'm excited that you're giving us so much great knowledge. And the one thing that I didn't mention is the fact that you did it for free, side. Like, how? But at the end of the day, you will be blessed. Thank you so much for sharing your knowledge with us, and just being able to just kind of walk us through it all. Thanks, Side. And if you are not a part of Forex for Beginners, I want to say get in his course now, because you would not regret it, literally.